guys, and welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing with an actual regular monthly one this time, and although it's hella belated, this is the September 2021 box. So, yeah, I know, I suck. I'm trying to catch back up and get back on track with everything, so... Okay, so we've got some inserts here. One is just a little ad for the additional bonus boxes that we all know I buy anyway. And then there's a lot to unpack. Tips from our editors to help you get the most out of products in your beauty box. Protect yourself like a pro. We've got like a whole page about this sunscreen. It's from Sunday Riley. It's a Sunday Riley Lighthearted Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. $35 value. Ooh. The one skincare product our editors never go without, sunscreen, of course. Wearing broad-spectrum SPF every day protects your skin from the sun's harmful UVA and UVB rays, which can cause long-lasting damage, dark spots, sagging, wrinkles, and skin cancer. And while slathering sunscreen on in the summer is a no-brainer, we're exposed to the sun's rays all year long, whether it's 90 degrees outside or 19. Here's how to make sure you're always covered. Wear it daily, even if you're not going outdoors. It's a common misconception that you don't need to apply sunscreen if you're staying inside, but standard glass windows don't block UVA rays, which penetrate deeper into the skin than UVB rays and contribute to photoaging and skin cancer. Sunscreen is an all-weather essential. You need protection whether or not you can see the sun. Believe it or not, you're getting the same amount of exposure to UVA rays on a cloudy day as you would on a sunny one. Definitely believe that. One of my grandpas was a big proponent of sunbathing. Yes, I know it's bad for your skin, but he did it anyway. Even on cloudy days, he would go out there. And he'd come back tan. So, proof. Anyways, opt for at least SPF 30. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen like the one from Sunday Riley in this month's beauty box, which blocks both UVA and UVB rays. A higher number won't keep your skin protected longer. You still need to reapply every 2 hours. Know what you're missing. The most common spots for skin cancer are the areas we tend to unintentionally skip. A hat will protect your scalp. Choose one with a brim large enough to do double duty by protecting your face. Other frequently missed spots: your hairline, the back of your neck, the tops of your feet and toes, your ears, your brows, and above your top lip. Use a lip balm with SPF 2. Don't rely on makeup. Plenty of foundations and powders now contain sunscreen, but they might not provide the same amount of protection you expect. Some experts say you would have to apply up to 7 times more foundation than you would probably wear to get the full SPF value of the product. And finish strong. Sunscreen should be the final step in your skincare routine. It sits on top of your skin, so if it goes on first, it prevents other ingredients from penetrating. I think all of these are pretty much no-brainers. So, now we've got the actual little booklet for the month. So, quick update. The day before school started, my mom, cousins, and I would always do something fun. A movie, mini golf, baking cookies, shopping. To this day, I'm happy and nostalgic when fall rolls around, and I still love a good autumn refresh. But now it's in the form of new skincare and lipstick instead of Lisa Frank stuff. Although if you added a unicorn to Sunday Riley's lighthearted sunscreen tube, you would totally have my 3rd grader math folder. I'll be making chocolate chip cookies with my toddler, and then, after he's asleep, chilling out in a lavender-scented bath, a grown-up alternative to mini golf. So the first thing in there is, indeed, the sunscreen. Sunday Riley Lighthearted Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So let's take it out and look at it. That is really cute, not gonna lie. Got lots and lots of info. You know, I'll do a separate review on it on its own, in which point I'll actually read all the stuff on the box. Wearing sunscreen shouldn't be complicated or chalky. Sunday Riley gets it right with his pink-tinted formula that goes on sheer for my fair skin, and all my colleagues with olive and deep skin tones too. What I love most about the brand's first sunscreen, aside from its cheery heart-themed tube, is that, along with physical and chemical UV blockers, zinc oxide, octisalate, and octocrylene, Lighthearted is loaded with anti-inflammatory turmeric extract and safflower seed oil to soothe as it protects. My sensitive skin loves how the formula helps tame underlying redness. Even more reason to reapply throughout the day. So that's pretty cool. Next up, we have got, let's see here. I think this is full-sized as well. The Alpha H liquid gold with glycolic acid. There you can kind of see it. Price point, $54. This liquid, it has the consistency of a toner, acts like a reset button for my skin. It's spiked with 5% glycolic acid to dissolve dead skin cells. After I dispense a few drops onto a cotton pad, my skin feels smooth and looks hella radiant. I don't find it too harsh post double cleanse, and I can layer it under hydrating serums and creams. It's meant to be used every other day at night on clean skin. You don't have to layer anything over it. Liquid Gold also contains licorice root extract, one of my all-time favorite brightening ingredients that helps alleviate redness and irritation. Case in point, a particularly stubborn post-breakout dark spot finally faded after a week of using this exfoliator. Okay, so let's see. Revitalizes and assists in firming the skin in a single application through a multi-action formula of silk protein and licorice. This award-winning overnight facial targets tiered aging of the skin to renew tired and sun-damaged complexions while improving skin texture and tone. Clinically proven to decrease wrinkle depth, reduce roughness, and increase moisture within the skin. Apply Liquid Gold onto cleansed skin each alternate evening. Moisten cotton pad with solution and apply to face, neck, and décolletage. When the skin is touch dry, apply your preferred Alpha H moisturizer or serum. For an intensive treatment, do not follow up with a moisturizer or serum. A mild tingling sensation may be experienced when using this product. In the rare event of an adverse reaction, discontinue use. This product may make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Always use a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 15+ when using this product for a week after you discontinue use. When not in use, store below 30 degrees Celsius. Whoa, that's like really cold. Avoid oh, wait, no, it's not. I'm an idiot. I just realized what 30 degrees Celsius, that's not cold. Okay. Avoid contact with eyes, no color, and no perfume added. So, okay. That's pretty cool. I just kind of recently had a little bit of a exfoliating mishap, so it'll be a while before I feel brave enough to try it, but when my skin feels back to normal, maybe then. Let's see here. Okay, next one in here is the Allure Radically Rejuvenating Dual Phase Bakuchiol Serum. I can talk. Wow. I've been seeing bakuchiol show up in a lot of stuff lately. So the full size of this is $20. I don't know if this is full size or not. I mean, for a serum, that might be. Initially, I tried this serum because it contains bakuchiol, a retinol alternative for smoothing skin, softening lines, and minimizing breakouts with less potential for irritation. And the brilliant results I got have kept it in my medicine cabinet. The bottle contains a dual-phase formula, blue essence with soothing antioxidants like turmeric, and yellow serum, a moisturizing blend with jojoba oil. I shake them together until it turns green and apply a few drops of the ultra-lightweight formula daily to keep my skin clear and glowing. Let's see here. Interesting. Alright, next up, we have the, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, is it NEP or NIEP? Relaxing Lavender Mineral Bath Salt. Now, this is probably like single use, this is not the full size, because they show it in a bottle, but the full size is $20. I used to arrange candles and pretty bath oils around my tub, but these days it's all rubber duckies and toy boats. But I reclaimed my bath for one evening, at least for 15 heavenly minutes, with these lavender-scented mineral salts. I ran the bath, poured in 3/4 of a capful, and luxuriated in the calming scent, not to mention the quiet. When I got out, my skin felt softer and smoother, and my muscles were thoroughly relaxed. That sounds heavenly. Then we have the Oriza Beauty Opus Velvet Ribbon Lipstick. So this I think is full size and it's $22.50. In this color, let's see here. Sorry, my legs are going numb, so I'm kind of shifting around. Oh, I guess the color is called Opus. Okay, so I was debating whether or not to bleach my teeth, and then I tried this matte deep berry lipstick. I love swiping on the bold shade because it makes you think I've never met a cup of coffee. It's an intense color for sure, but it doesn't smudge when I eat. I like pairing it with lip liner to make sure it's precise. If I'm going for more of a summery berry stain, I simply tap the bullet across my lips instead of swiping it, blend out any blotchiness with my fingertips, and I've got a softer look that still makes my teeth gleam. Ooh. Like, I don't know if the stuff is printed on the actual tube or not. I think it's not. So, I'm actually not going to open this yet. I'm going to wait until I review it. Because otherwise I'm going to kick myself later that I don't have the info that's on here readily available when I review it. So, sorry. You'll have to wait for that one. So, I'm going to just kind of stick it up in this little basket here for now. Alright, then, this last... Is there another page? Okay. Last item. There's a couple of these here. Which one do I have? The Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Full size is $38. The other one would have been the True Cream Aqua Balm. So even on my laziest days, I never skip moisturizer, and lately I've been obsessed with Beliefs. I love massaging a small dollop of this airy cream onto my face and neck, and I trust that a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. The lightweight but deeply hydrating formula with soothing oat kernel extract, moisturizing herbs, and panthenol makes a great option year-round. So, from what I've tried of this brand, I've really liked each product that I've tried. So, one of these days, I'm probably going to go ahead and buy some full sizes, especially that one eye cream of theirs that I freaking lost my shit over. But, in these little sample sizes, you can see that there's not that much in there. It's just in that little bulge there. The rest of it is ultimately just packaging around it. But, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.